everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Once again I have brought some wonderful and amazing kitchen and home organization ideas. All ideas are new and unique. Look at this. You can take the screenshot of the picture or you can also save this video. If you like the video, then give a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family members. And if you are new on my channel and didn't subscribe the channel yet, then subscribe the channel and also hit the bell icon so that you can receive the notification of my new and upcoming videos. I hope you are enjoying the video. If you are enjoying the video, then leave a beautiful comment to encourage me. Alright viewers, thanks for watching. See you again. Bye bye.